Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Passion Shop. You all are very well. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some beautiful, smart, exclusive handloom collections only for you. So let me display. Very beautiful one, black base, pure handloom khadi cotton with beautiful weaving design. 28JF1 is saree code, 2700 is saree price. Very beautiful, bright one, summer friendly, elegant looks. This one is full base part, black base, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton with beautiful fine hand weaving design border portions. This one is beautiful khadi cotton, soft, lightweight, comfortable, smart, bright looks. This one is beautiful hand weaving design border, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, smart fine stripes design pallu. And this one is beautiful wide border design. This one is beautiful stripes pattern with every stripes is beautiful hand weaving design border portions. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton with beautiful contrast color weaving design border. Very elegant, smart, bright look, soft, lightweight, summer friendly. Very beautiful one. With this saree you will get running blouse piece, plain body shaded with border, running blouse piece. Very smart looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, elegant looks. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3000. Very smart, elegant looks, pure gicha silk, 28JF2 is saree code, 4500 is saree price, bright blue shade with contrast color border. This one is pure handloom gicha silk with beautiful temple pattern border design. Very smart, elegant looks. This one is contrast color border. Base is pure handloom gicha silk, bright blue shade, and this one is full base part, beautiful, smart, elegant looks. This one is full base part, contrast temple border, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, stripes pattern with beautiful printed pallu. Very exclusive, smart, bright look, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And I will suggest this silk material checks with buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4900 for your smart, elegant, exclusive looks. This one also very bright one, smart, elegant looks. 28JF3 is saree code, 3500 is saree price, premium quality, pure handloom natural fabric, lane by lane with golden zari weaving design, full base part and pallu also. This one is full base part, beautiful color, blackish gray shade, and this one is border portions, fine golden zari weaving design border. Base is natural fabric, lane by lane, and this full base part is beautiful hand weaving floral buta design, and this one is heavy border portions, golden zari heavy weaving design. Very smart one, elegant color also. This one is full base part, natural fabric, lane by lane material, and this one is full base part. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fine stripes pattern with beautiful golden zari weaving design pallu for your smart looks. Beautiful one, elegant color also. And I will suggest this silk material with printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3850 for your smart looks. This one also very elegant color combinations, natural fabric, premium quality, lane by lane material with weaving design. 28JF4 is saree code, 4000 is saree price. Very elegant color combinations with contrast weaving, fully jacket weaving border design. This one is full base part, and this one is border portions, fine weaving design, temple pattern with self weaving design border. This one is beautiful weaving design, have silver sign also, and this one is full base part, fully hand weaving buta design, contrast color weaving buta, full base part, and base is natural fabric, lane by lane, and this one is full base part. Full base part is beautiful buta design. This one is running blouse piece. This one is fully weaving border, contrast color, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fine weaving design, stripes pattern with floral buta pallu. and multicolor fully weaving stripes, very exclusive, smart, bright, elegant looks, natural fabric, lane by lane, premium quality. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4400 for your smart, elegant looks. This one also, you know, very nice one, very smart, summer friendly also, based for your office wear. 28JA5 is saree code, 2500 is saree price, premium quality, pure handloom cotton slab with beautiful ikat pattern, silver zari border, very smart one. This one is, you know, full base part, beautiful ikat pattern, base is cotton slab, and this one is, you know, border portion, silver zari border, contrast black piping, and this one is, you know, full base part, beautiful ikat pattern, soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly, full base part. This one is running blouse piece, this one is silver zari border, and this one is, you know, pallu part. Pallu also contrast color, fully ikat pattern pallu for your smart looks, very trendy one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric ikat contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2850 for your smart looks. You know, very beautiful one, pure fine lane by lane, 28JF6 is saree code, 3600 is saree price, very beautiful one, fine quality lane by lane with beautiful hand madhubani print, very nice one. This one is, you know, golden white base, pure white base, golden zari border, and full border portions, beautiful fully hand madhubani print, very exclusive one. This one is, you know, pallu part, pallu also very nice one, fully hand paint. This one is golden zari stripes with beautiful printed one, very smart, elegant looks, soft, lightweight, pure fine lane by lane with beautiful hand madhubani print, fully hand draw print, very nice one, soft, comfortable one, pure white base, very elegant looks also. This one is, you know, fully hand draw print, madhubani print. This one is running blouse piece, plain body sided, and golden zari with beautiful hand madhubani printed one, pure white base, fine lane by lane. And I will suggest this silk material with golden zari heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4300 for your beautiful exclusive smart looks, very elegant also. This one also, you know, very nice one, cotton slab with beautiful sivori dye, 28JF7 is saree code, 1900 is saree price, very smart looks, elegant one, based for your office wear. This one is, let me open, beautiful color combinations also. This one is pallu part, full base part is beautiful sivori printed, silver zari border, and base is premium quality pure handloom cotton slab, and this one is beautiful pallu part, golden zari stripes with beautiful printed one, and this one is, you know, full base part, very soft, comfortable, summer friendly, sivori dye, full base part, based for your office wear, very smart looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful multicolor printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2300 for your exclusive, elegant, bright, beautiful, smart looks. And this one also, you know, very elegant one. Fine lane by lane, 28JF8 is saree code, 2500 is saree price, very beautiful smart one, pink piping, base is fine lane by lane with beautiful smart stripes design. This one is, you know, pallu part. This one is pallu part, beautiful one, fully silver zari white pallu. This one is beautiful silver zari pallu, and this one is full base part, very smart one, stripes pattern, highlighted silver zari lines with stripes design, full base, pink contrast piping. This one is full base part, very elegant, exclusive looks, fine quality, premium quality, lane by lane. This one is running blouse piece, this one is full base part, highlighted silver zari stripes with beautiful color stripes pattern, very nice one. And I will suggest this brocade work, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2700 for your bright, beautiful, smart looks. This one also, very nice one, cotton slab with printed one, silver zari border. 28JF9 is saree code. 2500 is saree price with ikat contrast pallu. Very smart one, summer friendly, premium quality, pure handloom cotton slab with beautiful printed one, beautiful color. Also this one is, full base part, white base with beautiful printed one, silver zari border, contrast piping and beautiful fine printed one. Very nice one, white base. And this one is, pallu part. Pallu also contrast colored ikat pattern, highlighted pallu. Very smart, elegant one, based for your office wear. Very elegant looks. This one is full base part. This one is running blouse piece. This one is full base part, silver zari with plain cotton slab material. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful stitching checks contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2800 for your elegant smart looks. This one also, very nice one, beautiful one. 28JF10 is saree code. 2100 is a saree price. Beautiful color, also premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton silk with beautiful color. This one is very elegant color combinations, yellow base. And this one is, border portions, golden zari contrast color with fine golden zari checks pattern border design. Very smart, elegant looks, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton silk, golden zari border. This one is full base part, very smart looks. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base. And this one is, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, highlighted gicha with golden zari stripes with contrast color pallu. And this one is full base part, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart elegant looks. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2500 for your bright looks also. This one also, very bright one, premium quality, fine linen by linen. 28JF11 is saree code. 2400 is a saree price. Very nice one, black base, white bright maroon red shade border, highlighted pink lines on border part. Very smart, elegant looks. This one is, full base part, bright black base, premium quality, pure handloom, fine linen by linen, contrast color border. One portion is pink set, contrast red piping border. And this one is, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, maroon red set contrast pallu, highlighted pink lines, very exclusive one. And this one is border portions, bottom border, very beautiful one, bright maroon red shade, highlighted pink lines, black base, very exclusive combinations, bright beautiful one. And this one is, running blouse piece. This one is full base part, premium quality, fine linen by linen. And I will suggest this brocade work, synthetic material brocade, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful smart bright looks. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2600. Very beautiful one, bright color, golden shade, tissue linen. 28JF12 is saree code. 3600 is saree price. Very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen, weaving border, golden zari weaving border and full base golden sign tissue linen. This one is, full base part, white golden shade base. And this one is beautiful weaving design border and full base part is beautiful embroidery design, floral embroidery design, very highlighted one, based for your party wear. This one is, pallu part. Pallu also fine silver zari stripes pattern pallu. And this one is full base part, very smart one, beautiful floral embroidery design, golden zari with threaded embroidery design, very bright one. This one is beautiful golden zari weaving border and this one is fine embroidery design, very nice one, soft lightweight, based for your party wear. This one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen, have golden sign with beautiful fine embroidery design. And this one is, running blouse piece. This one is beautiful embroidery one, very bright one, beautiful smart bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4200 for your bright, beautiful, exclusive looks. Have golden sign also. This one also in a very nice one. 28JF13 is saree code. 1900 is a saree price. Very smart, trendy looks, based for your office wear. Soft, lightweight, summer friendly. Bathni print, Sivori with Bathni print. Very beautiful one. This one is in a full base part, premium quality, pure handloom, soft cotton slab material, silver zari border, and full base part is beautiful Badhni print. Very nice one. This one is pallu part. Pallu also zari stripes with beautiful Badhni Buta pattern print. And this one is full base part, beautiful one, Sivori with Badhni. This one is full base part, beautiful color, also bright one, based for your office wear, regular wear. Very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. Silver zari border, exclusive one, soft, lightweight, summer friendly. And I will suggest this bouquet work contrast blouse piece with this saree, soft bouquet work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2100 for your smart, elegant, exclusive looks. This one also very smart one, very elegant also. Pure Gicha silk. 28JF14 is saree code. 4500 is saree price. Very nice one. Beautiful color combinations. Gicha silk. This one is full base part. This one is full base part. Beautiful color. Premium quality, pure handloom, Gicha silk. Contrast border. This one is full base part. This one is temple pattern contrast color border. This one is green shaded contrast color border, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color stripes pattern with beautiful printed pallu. Very exclusive one. This one is full base part, beautiful bright sea green shade with contrast temple printed border. Very nice one. Pure handloom, fine Gicha silk. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material with digital print contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4900 for your smart, elegant, exclusive looks. Pure handloom, Gicha silk, soft, lightweight, comfortable. So very bright color, beautiful one, natural fabric, lane by lane. 28JF15 is saree code. 3900 is saree price with beautiful fully hand batik print, beautiful color also. 1-inch golden zari border. This one is full base part, and this one is beautiful golden zari, 1-inch golden zari border. Premium quality, natural fabric, lane by lane with beautiful hand batik print. This one is beautiful hand batik print, bright color, and this portion is split section shivori dye. Very exclusive one. This one is pleats shivori, and this one is plain running blouse piece shivori dye pleats, and this one is upper portion batik printed one. Very exclusive, smart, beautiful one. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also same shivori pattern, like pleats, patli pallu, and golden zari stripes with beautiful shivori dye, and this one is batik printed one. Very exclusive, smart looks. Base is reddish pink shade, golden zari 1-inch border, batik with shivori combined looks with lian. Very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4200 for your smart, elegant, exclusive looks. And today I have taped a beautiful bright saree, green shade, premium quality, pure handloom, khadi cotton with embroidery design, fine embroidery design. This one is contrast color border, 1-inch border with fine embroidery design. Full base part is embroidery design, border and floral buta, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, heavy fine embroidery design pallu. Very exclusive one, smart, bright looks. 2600 is saree price. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.